Hello everyone, welcome to hpmtech. Today's TechWomen Leadership Program 2022, United States of America. TechWomen Program, it is an application an open application. TechWomen Leadership Program 2022 Wordful News. The TechWomen Leadership Program is selection application for the year 2022. The airs and help women of all our world families and teams technology we all fame candidate of the platform fully funded leadership program in USA 2022. The United Nations elected program in 2011 but industries started by USA despite the of the State Bureau in training particular effect industry pathways training and changing the USA documents start improvement fully found the program the 5 week provide and take price sense device and DC details and to leadership program check provide details lower apply take the leadership program details currently United of America grant female progress during 5 week Tech Women Leadership Program deadlines January 5th and 2022. Also check essential summer exchange program United States. Also check Tech Women benefit. The program will cover following exchange application, translation to where to air ticket, as leading West DC later scan financial collateral field available women of the following fields can apply the program science technology engineering mathematics eligible constant application for following constant eligible tech women equipped during care and labor Morocco and Pakistan, the net commander select South Africa, Tajikistan, Ansbet, Auligi, Crimbo, eligible criteria, application so 2 years experience submit and application without bachelor degree include almost have J visa and USA citizen can to apply application English written and spoke application should have not USA visa and USA application should management yearly also check grants Google scholarship 2022 2023 and also last of all an optimization of 2021 application progress to apply tech women program applicant should create an account in industry application process and complete email with deliver shortly in have to links application all should complete before deadline date January 5th 2020 and the links and provide apply tech leader program for youth and from this word youth and selected more than 15 individuals from V27 and what each 30 20 particularly percentage take January in requirement application program and what youth selected individual from all and what makes special home kit which these grows and ideas from details about birth youth and from age your information provide below. Are you looking scholarship Hong Kong without yes in many industry scholarship Hong Kong with birth and youth equipped details country and eligible international students coverage total and also check it financial benefit the addresship in what free visa two ways to add ticket documents equipped and also covered it wearing about words and it kept 2020 topic human right digital transmission claim changing social security post cover effect distinction learn future engines entrepreneurship technology 5G eligible requirement to apply for births and youth and candidate must following eligible criteria application between this age of 18-14 apply candidates to leadership skill also take parts speakers application you can vote a speaker and gain ideas it is limitation document required foreign application notes passport can national unit ID a clear background application provide enter the basic information email verification after making profile application approved account and entered will be provided the application selected details and e-tech will be received these are application the USA accorded the provide will provide application deadline application of before deadline date of 15 December 2021 the links of official provide application worth 2022 and equipped visitor official link click here register word from subscription updates join telegram channels and internship and United National Words and similar internship funded great news student application open world youth and from 2022 which we are equipped 1 week conflict which the experience the application covered non-nationality related and student from all our world eligible application this year birth and selected more than 5k individual accounts failed year more than 2017 at fees free visa two-way air tickets documents flight and active will be also cover hotel transportation application for declared GP accorded requirement application can part speaker model particular workshop topic available digital transmission home right claim change security social security post covered effect destination learn future engineer internship technology and 5G eligible requirements documents application provider application deadline youth online application from World Youth 2022, World Youth in Internship Student, World Youth from World for Equipped. Like, subscribe, press the bell icon for latest mission update. Thanks for watching.